Hello, this is the video about my FxIgor strategy. My name is Igor Milosevic and I will try to describe my forex strategy. I believe that every forex trader should have its own strategy, so I call this strategy by my name. Now I will fast try to show you how I trade. Of course, some basic steps. We will watch this pound dollar live chart, and first I will watch only relative strength index indicator and price action. First we're looking chart. What we can see some moderate price without strong trend. If we look 30-minute chart and look RSI, we can see this line from yesterday. If you draw RSI trend like this, we can tell you that I can tell you that it's not good way. Why? You need to watch into 5 highest price. Look this price. This is not the highest price. Highest price is this. So you should try to draw RSI trend line from this spot. This is very important. Later I will create videos in future too. Later you will see that this information will help you to sometimes gain 10-15 pips more than in other cases. So it's very important to always draw the first point if you use highest high or lowest low. At the same time, this spot must be highest high and lowest low price on the chart. As you see, highest high price on chart, highest high on relative strength index indicator. This is it. So what I can say right now, if I want to draw RSI trend line, as you see, this is the lowest low, I cannot draw. This is not good price, so I will not trade in this time frame. 1 hour chart. Okay, we can see again, this is the highest high, this is price. Okay, from this like this. Okay, this trend line can be, and maybe if price starts to go up in bullish trend, I will use 1 hour chart. For bullish trend, maybe, but it's not smart. Why? Because risk reward ratio, we will have 65 RSI, and as you see, it's much better if you start, for example, bearish trade above 60 or around 60 RSI, and bullish trade, long trade from above 30 RSI. So in that case you can have very good risk reward ratio. So I will not trade this. 1 hour chart, no. 4 hour chart, oh, see this? Excellent, excellent. I have two spots, very nice. In this case, if we see RSI trend line breakout, this is excellent. If we see daily daily chart time frame, we can see that we are in moderate bearish trend, and price is going down. Maybe some kind of range, but more bearish bias. Daily chart and RSI on daily chart is bearish too. So in this case, I can tell you the best thing and the best trading idea is to trade sell order for pound dollar 4 hour chart. But this is just one trigger. We need more triggers. Now I'm going to this chart. This is chart where I wrote some informations just for you, for traders, to have to have this information. So of course, you have around the internet a lot of indicators: indicator for pivot point, indicator for opening range, a lot of indicators. All them are free. A lot of indicators you already have in MetaTrader platform. So it is very easy thing. For example, what I will be watching right now: pivot point, highest high, lowest low, close price, divide with free, and this is the pivot point. Right now we are above pivot point for pound dollar. This is good if you want a bearish trend. This is good to have a price above pivot point. You want to sell. Then on the 4-hour chart we drew RSI trend line. We have that. We have a good price action. Hourly range. This hour we see bearish trend. Last 1 hour we see bearish trend. And what is the problem? The problem is there is a European opening range. Opening range is from 8 o'clock till 8:30 GMT. It's the first half hour from London stock market opening, and 30 minutes. It's very important for price, because after that trend will be forming. And if you have a good trend, bearish or bullish trend, the best hours for trading is after opening range. And what I'm waiting for, I wait that price, because I want to sell, to be below opening range, and lowest low from the opening range today. For opening range today was, let me see, what was the night and clock? Okay, lowest low. We're around that price right now. Like to see. Just to, I have a little problem with chart. Just a moment to download history price, because I'm missing few prices. Never mind. So at 8:13, yes, the lowest low was 1.6075. Yes, so about 10 pips. If I see that price drop 10 pips down with a strong momentum, and the 4-hour chart is broken, I will enter into trade. Yes, I will enter definitely in that kind of trade, but I need to wait. You need, for any kind of strategy, you need to be patient, to wait, and then to enter into trade. Of course, I use Monday open. For example, I do the same thing for Monday. I looking for lowest low and highest high in Monday. For example, right now the lowest low is 1.6023 and highest high is 1.6143. So what will happen if today, but today is Friday, it's not possible, but sometimes is, if I see that price goes below 1.6023, there is a high probability, very high probability, that price will touch next fib level, and that is 1.5990. So this is the indicator, just probability, opening range. Please read Arthur Fisher book, Logical Trader. It's a huge book. There's a lot of facts, chapters about opening range. But opening range is not some science and some very important rule. It's just a trigger for you. Just trigger. It's not so important. But for my strategy, it's important because when I have several triggers for price action, for opening range, for oscillator, then I'm in that case. Sometimes I have, believe it or not, 80% of winning trades, and risk reward is always more than 1-to-1. So sometimes I have a huge profit, huge months. There is a month when I have 20%. It's my highest, 20% from my equity profit. But sometimes I have only 5 to 10%. Just to tell you, I risk only 1 or 2% from my equity. I'm a low risk trader, So that kind of when you have a 20%, that means that you had 10 good trades in a row or something like that. And I had in the past something like that, and it's really lovely. So, but I don't want to talk anymore about this. This is about my strategy. So RSI, trend line, opening range, and of course fib levels. Fib levels are described in my text. What I do, I draw highest fib level from highest high and lowest low in the month. Then I do the same for the year, lowest low and highest high in this year. And then I have fib levels. On this chart I have fib levels blue and black, and right now I have a lot of fib levels. So this fib level for this my trade told me that today price can go till 1.599. It's a 23.6 fib level for this month. So if I have good chance to today maybe create 90 pips, it's wonderful. So right now just during this video, just to go in the black chart to see what's happened. See what's happened. But right now I am seeing a 4-hour RSI trend line. No, it's not yet. I need to wait to see this trend line breakout. Maybe it will be around 1.606, but I need to wait. I need to be patient. And if we see that break, I'm sure today we can touch 1.599. So this is a lovely fib level, and for trading this is excellent. Of course, we need to see where is a stop loss for today, and for today the stop loss is 1.6123, and it is a 61.8 fib level for this month. So we have a stop loss, we have a target, we have nice risk reward ratio. Some swing traders, maybe they should enter it right now. I will wait more. To see RSI trend line breakout. But anyway, this is the nice strategy. Maybe I will see 1 hour. Yes, maybe 1 hour we will see RSI trend line breakout. Anyway, lovely strategy. So please ask your questions. I will create more trading videos in future, and this is all. Thank you a lot.